Hello and welcome to Electrical Storehouse. Today we are going to discuss about MCQs based on power system, which is very helpful for our exams. So let's get started. So first question is, the impedance of transformers and alternators are mostly, and options are resistive, inductive, capacitive, and none of the above. So is the right answer are inductive. Next question is, cable and lines are mostly, and options are inductive, capacitive, resistive, and none of the above. So is the right answer are resistive. Next question is, on the occurrence of an unsymmetrical fault, the sequence component, which is always greater than the negative sequence component, is, and options are zero sequence component, positive sequence component, both, and none of the above. So is the right answer are positive sequence component. Okay. Next question is, the positive and negative sequence component. The positive and negative sequence impedance of a transmission line are, and options are equal, zero, different, and infinite. So is the right answer are equal. Positive and negative sequence impedance of transmission line are equals. Next question is, in short circuit calculations, the selected base kVA is equal to, and options are that of the largest plant, the total plant capacity, any arbitrary value, and all of the above. So in short circuit calculation, the selected base kVA is equal to the largest plant, total plant capacity, and arbitrary value. So is the right answer is all of the above. Next question is, a short circuit may lead to, and options are excessive current, fire or explosion, low voltage in the system, and all of the above. So short circuit current may lead to excessive current and fire or explosion and low voltage in the power system. Okay, so is the right answer are all of the above. Next question is, the short circuit kVA is maximum when fault occurs, and options are near the generator, at the end of transmission line, in the middle of transmission line, and none of the above. So short circuit kVA is maximum when fault occur near to the generator. Okay, so is the right answer are near to the generator. Next question is, oil immersed air cooled reactor are used as current limiting reactor because, and options are they have higher safety against flashover, they have higher thermal capacity, oil serves the purpose of cooling and insulation, and all of the above. So oil immersed air cooled reactor are used as current limiting reactor just because they have higher safety against flashover and higher thermal capacity, and oil serves the purpose of cooling and insulation. So that's why the correct option is all of the above. Okay. Next question is, the use of reactors permits the installation of circuit breakers, and options are low rating, same rating, higher rating, none of the above. So correct answer is lower rating. Next question is, the fault on power system that gives symmetrical for current symmetrical fault current is, and options are line to line fault, three phase short circuit fault, single line to ground fault, and none of the above. So in power system, give symmetrical fault current when three phase short circuit fault. Okay, so the right answer is three phase short circuit fault. Next question is, the zero sequence impedance of different elements of power system is generally, and options are 0, equal, different, none of the above. So the correct answer is different. Okay, zero sequence impedance of the different element of power system is generally different. Okay, next question is, when a short circuit occurs in a power system, and options are the voltage at fault point is 0, a very large current flow in the system, it results in overheating of equipment, and all of the above. So when a short circuit occurs in power system, that the voltage at fault point is 0 and very large current flow in power system, and its result is overheating of the equipment. So the right answer is the all of the above. Next question is, the vector sum of positive sequence current is, and options are 0, low, infinite, and none of the above. So vector sum of positive sequence current is 0. Okay, 0 is the right answer. Next, the operator rotates the vector in anti-clockwise direction by 120 degree. Okay, correct answer is 120 degree. Next, reactors are connected with the system, and options are in series, in parallel, in series parallel, and none of the above. So reactors are generally connected with the system in series. Okay, so right answer is in series. Like reactors are connected with generator in series, feeders in series, and bus bar in series. Okay, so reactors are generally connected in series. Next question is, when all the three phases are short circuited, the current through the system is, and options are 0, low, very large, none of the above. So in case of short circuited, the current will be very large and resistance will be minimum. So next question is, in a balanced three-phase system, options only negative sequence current is 0, only zero sequence current is 0, both negative and zero sequence current are 0, and none of the above. So in balanced system, negative and zero sequence current are both are 0. Okay, so third point is the right answer. Next question is, the most severe fault on the power system is, options are three phase short circuit, line to line fault, double line to ground fault, single line to ground fault. The mostly severe fault is in power system three phase short circuit, when three phases are short. Okay, so the right answer is three phase short circuit. This fault is called as symmetrical fault. So next question is, reactors are used at various locations in the power system. Options are increases short circuit current, avoid short circuit current, limit short circuit current, and none of the above. As we all know that reactors are generally used for limit short circuit current. Okay, in power system. So is the right answer is limit short circuit current. When we use reactors in power system, then we can use low rating circuit breaker. So next question is the most common fault on a overhead transmission line is. Options are single line to ground fault, three phase short circuit fault, double line to ground fault, line to line fault. So the most common fault on overhead transmission line is single line to ground fault, that means LG fault. So is the right answer is first. Next question is the rating of circuit breaker are generally decided on the basis of. Options are unsymmetrical fault current, symmetrical fault current, normal circuit current, and none of the above. So the rating of circuit breaker are generally decided on the basis of symmetrical fault current. Okay, symmetrical fault current is decided the rating of circuit breaker. So next question is the impedance of transformers and alternators are mostly. This is repeated question. So next question is unsymmetrical fault, and options are introduce unbalance in power system, indicate abnormal condition in power system, are more frequent than symmetrical fault, and all of the above. So unsymmetrical fault is introduce unbalanced fault in power system and also indicate abnormal conditions or most frequent than symmetrical fault. So is the right answer is all of the above. The all points are able to unsymmetrical fault. Okay, next question is current limiting reactor in power system have, and options are large resistance and low reactance, large reactance and low resistance, large reactance and resistance, and none of the above. So current limiting reactor in power system have large reactance and low resistance.